Namaste. This is Sunila Jyotsna. Welcome to English classes. Today we are going to learn about idioms and their importance. The spelling of idiom is IDIOM. Idiom. In any language, the best way of expression comes out with the appropriate idiomatic usage. Now the question comes as, what is an idiom? The possible answer would be, every language has its own collection of wise sayings. These sayings offer us advice about how to live and also transmit some underlying ideas. These sayings are idioms or even called proverbs if they are longer. The sentences have figurative meaning, rather what they exactly state. For example, burn the midnight lamp. This statement has nothing to do with oil. Here, the meaning implies is to work hard or to work late into the night. Idioms are often questioned in competitive examinations. From students' point of view, idioms are useful in writing skills. They give better expressions to the composition. Idioms can be used as taglines or morals at the end of the story writing. Learning idiom is fun altogether. Let's see a few idioms today. The fact is, we use certain idioms daily without our knowledge. Like, sleep tight, it cannot hurt. Thank goodness, you made it. Whatever, it serves you right. Good point, it's up to you. Just my luck, I told you so. These expressions beautify our language. Now, let's go to the unknown world of idioms. First idiom, anything but, meaning certainly not. Example, we went to see that new action movie on Thursday and it was anything but good. In fact, I fell asleep. Second idiom, square peg in a round hole. We can also use round peg in a square hole, meaning a person who does not fit into society's norms. Example, that lifestyle really does not suit Kamala. She is like a square peg in a round hole. Third idiom, a hot potato, meaning a controversial issue or situation that is awkward or unpleasant to deal with. Example, the subject of bullying and fighting in my school is a hot potato. It was a big controversy in their school. Fourth idiom, last straw, the final problem in a series of problems. Example, it is the last straw that broke the camel's bone. Second example, people feel it is a silly problem, but it was the last straw which spoilt Mina's family. Idiom number 5, steal someone's thunder, meaning to make the credit for something which someone else did. Example, the present generation is so weak that it steals someone's thunder to finish a petty job. Sixth idiom, sit on the fence. This is used when someone does not want to make a decision. Example, Gopi always sits on the fence when asked about his decision. We have similar idiom in Telugu language also. That is, Goda Meda Pilli, means sitting on the fence. Seventh idiom, when pigs fly, meaning something that will never happen or is impossible to happen. Example, Chinna will never keep quiet or will keep quiet only when pigs fly. This statement states that Chinna will never keep quiet. Eighth idiom, devil's advocate, one who presents a counter argument. Example, hey Renu, you are always playing a devil's advocate. Give it a rest and mind your own business. Idiom number 9, miss the boat, miss the chance. Example, Prasad wanted to take part in the drawing competition, but he was too late to enter and he missed the boat. 10th idiom, your guess is as good as mine, meaning to have no idea. Example, oh, stop Shweta, your guess is as good as mine. She says they are best friends, not in relation. That's all for today. Thank you.